Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a minute. I know I haven't uploaded in a few weeks. But anyways, today I did my foundation and brows off camera because I am going to be doing my first ever unboxing of a PR package that I was sent. This is super exciting for me because this is the first huge brand that has sent me PR and I lost my shit basically. So yeah, I'm just gonna do an unboxing today and do the products they sent me were more like eyeshadow palettes, lips, and a highlight. So I did everything else off camera so then I can do the rest of the look with their products. I know I'm looking a little splotchy. I got a spray tan like over a week ago, so I'm looking a little bit crazy right now. But anyways, let's just get right into it. Look at this fucking box. And look how cute. So, Beauty Bakerie. Fucking Beauty Bakerie. The company with literally the best packaging. Like, their packaging is unmatched, okay? When I tell you this company has the cutest packaging, I am not playing. Like, no other company has their marketing team, or I don't know who comes up with the names of the products and the packaging, but girl. Oh my god, where do I even begin? So first, I got this palette. It says do it for the gram. Like, who comes up with these things? It's so fucking cute. So this is an eyeshadow palette. So freaking cute. I'm deceased. These eyeshadows. Oh, and it says got milk. Like, who comes up with this? It's so cute. I already swatched these. And let me tell you guys, they are insanely pigmented. Like, I was so shook. Let's do this gold. One swipe. Look at that. Is that not insane? Let's swipe a couple more. Look, this is literally just one swipe. I'm so bad at this. One swipe. And let's do this blue. Look at that. Oh, their eyeshadows are so creamy. I have not done a look on my eyes with this eyeshadow yet. I've just swatched them, so I'm super, super, super excited. It's like fucking Christmas and my birthday came early. The next thing I got, I already took it out of this, it is the Coffee and Cocoa palette. So what I love about this palette is this is definitely for dark skin girls, so I can use this on my dark skin clients. I'm really, really excited for this. I mean, I'm sure I can use it on myself too, but look at these names. Deja Brew, Anti-Depresso, You're Grounded, and La Vida Mocha. I cannot. Then, oh, honey, do you see this packaging? This is insane. So this is a blush lighter palette. Look at this thing, like opens up. There is like fake cotton candy, okay, on this palette. Let me take it out. And it says, toasting to the sweet life. And then there's freaking cotton candy. I just can't. Like, I'm so overwhelmed by this packaging. It is so fucking cute. I literally almost like don't want to use it. This is my favorite setting powder, and they sent me the yellow and they sent me the translucent. I already took the translucent out because I ran out of my last one, and it's my freaking favorite translucent powder. When I tell you guys, this stuff, like, your makeup does not move. It fills your pores in. which I really need. This setting powder is it's so good, guys. They sent me so many lips, I like cannot. They sent me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 matte liquid lipsticks, a gloss, and look at this packaging. It looks like an ice cream cone kind of, and then they swipe out. I almost lost my shit when I saw these cake pop lippies. Are you kidding me? They sent me 3 of these babies. How effing cute. See how cute this is? Look how baby. They're little mini lipsticks. Oh my god, I cannot. Last but not least, guys, they sent me a freaking highlighter. Their highlighter comes in like a mini ice cream gel. Like, I can't with them. And it's called the Beauty Bakerie Illuminator So Icy. Okay, let's go in with this highlighter. And I have dipped into this before. And then it's just, and this color is called Frosted. And this color is super gorgeous on my skin tone, but I feel like on a dark skin girl. Okay, you guys ready for this? It's like a golden, like kind of honey vibe. I'm really excited for this product. I'm gonna just throw some my Holy Grail Anastasia Beverly Hills Amazing over it. That's what I'm talking about. And then some down my nose, and on the chin. There we go. This is actually really, really pretty together. So I'm just gonna go in with this blush color right here and put it all over. Ooh, that's pretty. I want to go bright, so I think I'm going to go in with this. It's like a reddish orange. Oh my gosh, you guys, I haven't even done an update on my Botox. So, as you can see, I have no forehead lines, thank you Jesus, but the only thing that I hate about getting Botox is that, like, I cannot lift my eyebrows anymore. Like, I'm trying to lift my eyebrows here, and I can't. So, I already have really hooded eyes, and so because I can't, like, lift my eyebrows to get more of, like, a space to do my eye makeup, I can't. And that's really the only thing that annoys me, but I am so happy with my results. I definitely recommend where I went to, Rejuvenation on the Rocks, and Penny did my Botox. I definitely recommend them. She was so fast, and like my results are freaking bomb. Like, y'all remember the last video, and if you haven't seen it, go watch it. My forehead lines are out of this world ugly. They are so nice. They're so buttery. Wow. I'm impressed, and I'm not just saying that because they sent me a package. Like, I'm still gonna give you guys an honest review. I think that's important. And I'm just going back in with that first color and kind of just blending that into this orange color and buffing it out a little bit. I think I'm gonna try this one. Y'all, when I tell you I don't do red lips, I don't do red lips. But I'm gonna try red lip today. So this color is called Moncherie. Moncheri. I think I'm pronouncing it right. What this color is looking like. Oh wow, honey. That is red. It's like a strawberry red. It's so gorgeous. Okay. I'm gonna go in with it. I don't wear these types of colors, but hey. Just gotta go out of our comfort zone sometimes. Oh wow. Honey, she is pigmented. See, red lips are just not my thing. I don't think it looks flattering on me. I don't think I look cute with red lips. It's never been my thing. It's a really gorgeous color. I'd probably use it on a client, but honey, this has to come off because I just don't like it on myself. Okay, this is a darker red. Let's just check this out. Cranberry. Let's go ahead and swatch that. Okay, so that's like a deeper red. That color is not gonna look good on me either. Okay, what color is this one? I like to chai, and I do love chai tea. So let's try this color. This is more my vibe. This is a nude. Oh yes. See, that is my vibe. Going with this instead. I don't really know if it's gonna be fun either. I will say though, this formula is really incredible. It feels really good. It goes on like butter. Not too crazy about the color on me. I think it just, I don't know, it's okay. I'm really picky when it comes to lips. Like, I'm extremely picky. So, what is this one? This is pretty. Surreptitious. Okay, so this is like a darker version of what I have on. I think I would actually really like this color. Oh yeah, that's pretty. Doesn't really go with my eye look, but at this point I don't think any lip is really gonna go with this eye look besides like, yeah, I like this color, it's pretty. Alright you guys, so that wraps up this video. I am so grateful to Beauty Bakerie for being the first